wind is picking up.
Let's hurry before the rain starts.
It will be a gentle rain.
Oh, the rain found us.
It's cold but fun.
We should find cover soon.
Stay close, everyone.
The wind is too strong.
Hold my paw.
Careful.
Ah! I'm slipping.
Grab my hand. Don't let go.
Hold on! We're coming!
There's a log! Swim toward it!
Don't give up! Almost there! Grab it!
It's right in front of you!
Yes! You got it! Hold tight! We're pulling you out!
You're safe now. The storm is ending.
Let's rest under that big tree ahead.